Meaning of first floor.
First floor.
First floor.
First floor.
First floor. The first floor generally refers to the ground level of a building, which is typically the lowest level that is directly accessible from outside. In many countries, including the United States, the first floor is often designated as the level above the basement or cellar, if one exists. This is in contrast to some other countries where the first floor is considered to be the level at street level. The first floor can contain various types of spaces, such as lobbies, retail stores, offices, apartments, and more, depending on the building's design and purpose.